Metal studs are lightweight, non-combustible framing members typically made from cold-rolled steel. They are used in various construction applications including framing walls, ceilings, and soffits. When working with metal studs, several code requirements must be adhered to. Firstly, considering the International Building Code, or IC, metal studs must comply with ASTM C645 and C955 standards. The minimum base metal thickness is 0.33 inches, which is equivalent to 22 gauge. The maximum allowable spacing for studs is 24 inches on center for walls and 16 inches on center for ceilings. Studs must be spaced a maximum of 12 inches apart at the ends and 48 inches apart for intermediate point. Adequate bracing is necessary to prevent bowing or twisting. For fire-rated assemblies, they must be tested and listed to meet the required fire resistance ratings. Secondly, considering the National Building Code of Canada, or NBC, metal studs must comply with CSA 736-7 standard. The minimum base metal thickness is 0.31 inches, which is also 22 gauge. The maximum allowable spacing for studs is 24 inches on center for walls and 16 inches on center for ceilings. Studs must be braced adequately to prevent swaying or buckling. Fire-rated assemblies must be tested and listed to meet required fire resistance ratings. Additional considerations are crucial when using metal studs. Firstly, corrosion protection is essential. Metal studs should be protected from corrosion by galvanizing, coating, or painting. Secondly, thermal performance needs to be addressed. Metal studs can have a high thermal conductivity, so additional insulation may be required to meet energy efficiency requirements. Thirdly, sound attenuation is important. Metal studs can transmit sound more readily than other framing materials. Additional measures may be necessary to reduce noise transmission. Fourthly, load capacity should be considered. Metal studs have a limited load-bearing capacity compared to other framing materials. Check manufacturer specifications for specific load-bearing capacities. Metal studs are compatible with various insulation materials, including fiberglass, cellulose, and mineral wool.